Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. Today I have Brother Tom with me. Assalamu wa rahmatullah. So what we're going to do is Brother Tom's going to demonstrate on how to pray 2 units of Fajr prayers, inshallah. So Fajr prayer is the first prayer of the day, which is at dawn. So, and I'll be explaining what is recited during the prayers, inshallah. But remember, don't focus too much on what's recited and how you're going to recite it, because that's on another video, inshallah. We'll learn that together on another day from that video, inshallah. So let's just focus on the 2 units of Fajr prayer today. Tom, are you ready? You want to demonstrate now? Yeah, we're ready? Okay, so all right, everyone, inshallah. So now what Tom's going to do, we're ready. You're standing straight, yes, facing the Qibla. Now, what Tom's going to do is he's going to start his prayer by raising his hand and saying Allahu Akbar. Go on.
Allahu Akbar.
Yeah, so raise his hand and he's folding his hand, right hand over the left hand, and saying Allahu Akbar. After doing that, then Tom is going to recite Thana. Thana, Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika wa tabaraka asmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa la ilaha ghayruk. After reciting Thana, Tom will recite Surah Al-Fatiha. A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. So now Tom's finished reciting Surah Fatiha. Now after reciting Surah Fatiha, Tom will recite another surah after that. So let's say we're going to recite Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar fasalli li rabbika wanhar inna shaniyaka huwa al-abtar. Yes. Now in the first, Tom has finished reciting Thana, Surah Fatiha, and another surah. Now after completing that, now Tom, what he's going to do is he's going to go to bowing position. Now when he goes down for bowing position, Tom will be saying Allahu Akbar. Tom, can you demonstrate that for us?
Allahu Akbar.
Okay. Again, as you see, his back is straight. And when he's in the bowing position, Tom will be reciting Tasbih. Yes? Subhana Rabbiyal Azim, Subhana Rabbiyal Azim, Subhana Rabbiyal Azim for 3 times. After reciting the Tasbih in his bowing position, now Tom will stand up again. And when he's standing up, he will say, Sami'allahu liman hamidah. After saying that, standing up straight, and then now Tom will go down to prostration. Remember, we did go over that. In each unit, there's 2 prostration, and between the 2 prostration, there is a short sitting. So now, Tom, if you could go down in prostration, and when you go down, he will be saying Allahu Akbar. In prostration, Tom will be reciting Tasbih, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la 3 times, and then he'll sit down again. So now when he sits down, between the 2 sajdas, he will recite Rabbi Ghfirli, Rabbi Ghfirli, Rabbi Ghfirli. And then he'll go back to prostration again. And then he'll recite the Tasbih, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. Now, Tom has completed his first unit of Fajr prayer. Remember, there's 2 units in Fajr prayer, so he's completed his first unit. So now, from the second sajda, prostration, he is going to stand up again. And when he's standing up, Tom, what are you going to say?
Allahu Akbar.
He's going to say Allahu Akbar and hold his hand. Now we are going to start Tom is going to start his second unit in his Fajr prayer. Again, Tom's going to start off with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and he'll recite Surah Fatiha. He'll recite all of Surah Fatiha, and after reciting Surah Fatiha, he'll include another surah from the Quran. Say, we'll recite Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qul huwa Allahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Okay, now Tom's recited the Surah Fatiha, he's recited another surah, he's finished reciting. Now Tom, he's going to go in bowing position. When he's going to bowing position, Tom, what are you going to say?
Allahu Akbar.
He's going to say Allahu Akbar. And when he's in bowing position, he'll recite the tasbih 3 times. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim, Subhana Rabbiyal Azim, Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. After completing the tasbih, he's going to stand back up again. Yes, and when he's standing up, he's going to say Sami'a Allahu liman hamida. After standing up straight, can you see, remember he needs to be straight, and then now he's going to go to prostration. When he's going down, Tom, what are you going to say when you go down?
Allahu Akbar.
He's going to say Allahu Akbar. Make sure your feet, your knees, your hand, your face, your forehead is touching the floor. And he's going to recite tasbih 3 times. Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. After reciting that, he'll sit back down, and he'll recite tasbih again.
رب اغفر لي رب اغفر لي رب اغفر لي.
And then he'll go back to prostration again. When he's going back down, remember, he'll say Allahu Akbar, and he'll recite tasbih Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. This is his finishing his second unit. Now when he finishes his second unit, he's not going to go straight back up, he's going to sit down, and this is the final sitting for his prayer, because there's only 2 units in Fajr prayer, so he needs to sit down and he needs to complete his prayer. So 2 units, and this is his final sitting. So when he comes from prostration to sitting down in his final unit, he'll say Allahu Akbar, and he'll be sitting down. And when he's sitting down, first he will recite at-tahiyyat, tahiyyah. After recite again these du'as, these surahs, we have that all on another video, so inshallah we'll learn that together from those videos. So just remember the names, at-tahiyyat, and then after reciting at-tahiyyat, he will be reciting durood wa salawat, and then after durood salawat, he will recite a dua. After reciting the dua, what Tom is going to do is complete his prayers by turning his face towards the right hand side, saying Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, and then towards the left hand side saying Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.